Alright, Dak79 here. Got a new little toy to play with. Right now I'm filming without my key light. So I've got rid of my main light here. So I've got some shadows here. What it is, I've been sent this. It's a live gaming streaming LED light from Neewer. This is a nice little toy and I'm very excited to open it. This is model X001 SCO643. Let's open it. Lots of foam. I need to really keep all this foam and get cases and drop this foam into the case. Oh, wow, it's heavy. It's made of proper stuff. I hate these little. I know it's to protect them, but I don't like it when people leave these on. It's one of my pet hates. It's got the instruction manual, the light, got the arm for it, and the power pack. We'll come to that in a moment. This is really heavy. You got the controls on top. You've got Bluetooth feature, so you can hook it up to your phone as well. The arm for it. This goes onto your table. And you've got your table part. Up and down, ties up, as per usual. What's in here? A little box. So yeah, swivel head for it. Oh, that's nice. Nice and heavy duty again. Neewer's making some really nice stuff. They've really improved since the first ever item. First thing I ever got off Neewer was a shoulder rig. Wasn't that good, but everything else has been stunning. Now here's another thing I like to do. I like to see how much cable we've got. You always want as much cable as possible. Our next short film all takes place in the back of a van pretty much, so we'll have a lot of power packs going outside. So we've got a meter. There's 1 meter of cable there. Got the power pack. Just over a meter. So you've got a meter and a little bit. So there's a couple of meters of cable there. Whoa, one power point left. Oh. Let's plug it in. Ooh, look at that. Little USB plug into your computer. How good's that? Yeah, just in case you haven't got Bluetooth, I guess, or maybe it's its own frequency. Right, the instruction manual. Live gaming streaming LED lights. Right, we've got Wi-Fi, we've got Bluetooth. It does say here, the first thing we've got to do, PC or smartphone, Android. For Android, please enable the location permissions in your phone settings. Why do they need to know where I am? So, Neewer, install. Let's get a little tripod for it for a second. What is it? What is it done? Right, so open the app. Let's just be a guest for now. Go to settings, allow. It knows exactly where I am in the world. Okay. I click here, add a device, add a device. Device added. It's plugged in, it knows. Brilliant, okay. Right, well, first things first. Just turn it on. Got power, yes. I wouldn't have seen it. Then let's turn it on. Why turning a different light on? Have I some kind of a light? I got a light on a shelf somewhere that's going up and down. How do you turn it on? There we go. Press the icon button for the light off. Okay, let's just do it. Meanwhile, on the film set, let's make sure it's plugged in. Yeah, power's on. See, I'll show you on the back. So on the back here, our buttons, it says this to power it on. It's saying the device is on, off. Am I doing something wrong here? Oh, okay, let's turn it off. It's now working. Okay, it was having a bit of a hissy fit actually. It wasn't really working. Okay, let's have a look. So what we've got here. Here we go. So I can turn it on, turn it off. Fantastic. Click in there and go really bright and really low. And I can go really warm, really cold. 5600. Well, there's daylight. There we go. All right. Now this is working. This is great. Tells you everything here on the back. It also says here Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I'm going to set it up here and we'll see what I look like with the key light on. Here we go. Got this a lovely little alarm. I'll set that up. Put my false colour on. I can make sure I got it right. So you have to, when you turn it on, you've got to go back into it. There you go. And then I can 5600. I can change that. Keep it with all the other lights. There you go. Perfectly exposed. I must be overexposed. There you go. That's my key light. Let's see. So we'll look at that. So there's my settings. Let me just turn my false colour off. There you go. Focus in. As you saw, I had a few issues just getting the first sync together. I don't know what that was, but after doing the usual turn it off, turn it back on again, it all worked fine. It's a great light. It's not blinding. It's right next to me. I'll show you. I'll get my top cam. Oh, bloody update. My top camera started an update when it was supposed to be recording. So I've got the very beginning. Let's have a look. Let's record anyway. So here I am. Yeah. There's the app. There's the instruction manual. And that's what the key light looks like. It's great for filming here in my mini homemade set. I hope this video has helped. It's a nice little light. I love the way it's clipped, just attaches to the table or wherever, and you can stick it on any tripod you want. So I'm going to give it a good 5 out of 5. I love the fact you can just use your phone. I love that. That's great. Saves you walking around. So, thanks for time. Out.